A few moments later.
Yeah.
Hello everyone, and today we are in my car because I have to get 2 ingredients from Trader Joe's, and I'm pretty sure I think everyone knows what I'm gonna get. So let's go and do that. And Grace is here. We're doing this at my house, and I don't know. Go. Okay. So we saw someone washing rice like this before, and ever since then, this is how we've been washing it, and it actually does a really good job of making it clean. But I have onion and pap, so I was thinking.
Okay.
What do you think I brought?
Bam.
Oh! Really? Yes! Those are 2 things we don't have. I knew it. I was like, Angie doesn't really like tubu, but Grace and Angie both don't. And then
Angie likes tubu.
Do you want like kielbasa? Or just all kielbasa here?
Kielbasa is fine.
I like how you knew what she meant when she said it like that.
No, you don't have to. Just leave it.
Is this a charcuterie board? It looks like you're trying to make a charcuterie board. How to Budae Jjigae.
If Jordan brought mushroom and duck, we did all 8. Do you think Jordan's gonna bring mushroom and duck?
I think
No.
I think Jordan's definitely not bringing stuff.
I think he's gonna bring kielbasa.
Yeah, me too. We'll see.
Just not that. Just a pie. What's up?
Right there.
Hello. Yes.
I left the door open for him a little bit. He's like, I'm not ring that doorbell. So, what did you bring today?
Oh, I brought.
Kielbasa?
Yeah.
That's what we thought.
Okay, what's the other one?
And tubu.
Oh,
Did someone else bring this?
no. Yeah. Vivian brought tubu.
You know what Angie
Welcome.
said? She said, if Jordan brings tubu, I'm not putting it in there.
Tubu.
But kielbasa's good. So we have everything but mushrooms and duck. Mushroom and duck.
Oh, that's so good.
Oh,
It's okay.
see? Oh.
Did you just eat that? It's raw.
That's
It's cooked.
Ew.
You know, this is like how I like the budae jjigae though. A lot of sausage.
Oh my god, this is all meat.
Yeah. Oh wait, you guys want me to? I'll add some tots. You guys
Oh yeah,
Yeah, can we add some like
That made me feel a little
vegetables?
better.
What did everyone else bring?
That looks delicious. Ow, Essie!
Grace brought samgyeopsal and kimchi. I brought kielbasa and ramyeon.
And I brought tubu and spam.
Pasta.
Spam.
Kielbasa.
I was like, hold on. I think she does it by the size of this, right? Do you put it like?
No, it's okay. 대충 하면 돼. No, you're fine. Sit there and look pretty. I'm gonna come film you in a second.
Okay, that's nice.
How's your drink?
Is that considered a drink? Do you guys want the pot like ding 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 ding?
Big.
Like ding 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 ding. Okay. You want ding ding ding? Yeah. No. Ding ding ding. Okay. Yeah. Why did you have to bring that up?
Hiya. Just spreading her legs.
Yes. Like literally face.
Wow.
So good. I really hope all the tzatziki is like mixed around.
I want to get everyone's reactions of eating it.
I was like, she's shielding herself. Okay, everyone kaibaibo's to see who gets it first. And just scream out what you're gonna put out, ready?
가위바위보.
Paper.
Oh darn.
Oh, she ruined it. Oh.
가위바위보.
And she didn't say anything.
Oh,
and I'm
rock.
가위바위보.
There.
Thank you.
Is that a lot?
That's good. Thank you.
I'll get it.
Good?
I feel like it's been a while.
Perfect on. I can't believe that song existed.
I know, right?
Wait, oh, you did all.
Korea has
Oh,
a song
did you
for
not want
like
all of it?
every food item.
Oh. Should I break it?
No.
No.
And she's like, no.
Are you watching? Everyone's like so intrigued. She's like,
I thought Jordan would know.
You guys should watch the
Track? Or am I thinking something really?
no, I think I think something else.
Wow.
She looks like her
Don't stop. And then Grace was like, do you not know? And she's not gonna stop. And my dad was like, if you started telling us, then finish
Yeah, you
it.
have to finish it.
So then,
like here or
Grace야 이거 얹어. Let's say bye. Say thanks for watching and you stay loyal. That was really weird.
That's weird.
Oh my god. Oh my god.